Hi, boys and girls. Miss Frady and I are going to explain to you what you need to do for today's Digital Learning Day assignments. Yesterday in school, you received a packet with a cover sheet on top, which is where you received a QR code for this video. So you should already have everything stapled together for what you're working on today. We're going to take a few minutes to go through each assignment and explain to you what our expectations are, but also please note, we are going to be available on Teams link, which will be posted on our homeroom page between 8 and 9 a.m. to answer any questions that you guys have while you're trying to work on this. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start off with ELA, which is kind of towards the middle of the packet. For reading, you guys are going to read a passage, which may vary for some of you. But first, you're going to read the passage, and then each passage has a set of comprehension questions that you are going to answer to show your understanding of the text. And then once you complete that for reading, there is also an article for writing that you guys will be reading the front and back of that page for writing. And then behind that, there is a writing prompt that you guys are going to respond to about your opinion on the article. If you agree or disagree, please make sure you at least write a full paragraph for this response or more. Okay, otherwise you're not going to be able to fully support your opinion with text evidence in anything less than a paragraph. So make sure you're writing at least a paragraph in order to explain your opinion. And then for science, you guys will be reviewing inherited and acquired traits, as well as instinct and learned behavior. You have a sheet here where you will have to draw an example of each type of inherited and acquired, as well as instinct and learned behavior. So you're going to put your own, draw and label your own example of each of those as review. And Miss Frady is going to go ahead and talk to you guys about math.
Okay, so for math, guys, we're just going to be reviewing lesson 12, which is the one that you took a quiz on in class yesterday. I've included in your packet just 2 PPS book pages. That's your practice book pages. And actually, the first one is the prerequisite that leads up to lesson 12. So this is all review. It should be pretty simple for you. There's 2 front and backs that you can complete for math. And you can also log into iReady at home to do an iReady lesson. For social studies, we've included one of your studies weekly newspapers. On the back, it's already stapled. On the back of your newspaper, there is a section with activities. So you're going to complete the activity about the New Deal or alphabet soup. So it's this section right here. Your job in that section is going to be to chart at least 5 acronyms for the New Deal program. So acronyms, remember, are letters that stand for a word, like CCC. I'm not going to tell you what that stands for. You're going to have to look in the article. To help you with this assignment, you can read in the newspaper the portion that says New Deal or alphabet soup. Just kidding.
Oh, there's one that talks about the New Deal.
There it is, at the top, where it says the New Deal. So this article inside will help you answer the 5 acronym portion on the back of the newspaper here in the middle. Anything else?
No. So now that you guys know exactly what you're working on, make sure that if you have any questions, you are logging onto the Teams link that is posted on your homeroom Canvas page. Miss Frady and I will be available on that link from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
8 a.m. to
Just
8
kidding.
8
to 9 a.m. You said
8 until 9. In the morning,
Woo! We're so
8
tired.
until 9.
From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., not 9 p.m. Whew, no, we will not be here. So if you have any questions, you have 1 hour to reach us live on that link. Otherwise, feel free to send us an email if there's something after that time that you have a question about. Okay? Yeah. Other than that, you guys make sure you bring these completed packets back with you after break. And we hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving break. Enjoy spending time with your families. and we will see you after that.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye, guys.